Hey there, my name is Tony. I'm an advisor for the Rush team. I'm going to show you really quickly how easy it is to get your ETH from mainnet over to Base. That way you can start opening your very first cubes. So as a starting point, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to bridge.base.org. That's going to bring me to this screen right here. I'm going to then connect my wallet. I'm going to select MetaMask because that's what I'm using. And you can see now it shows how much ETH I actually have on mainnet. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to decide how much ETH I want to actually transfer onto Base. In my case, I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to take, let's say, $45 worth. I'm going to hit deposit, and I'm going to confirm the transaction within my wallet right here. So now what you can see right here is on mainnet here, I have just 0.0045 ETH that remains. And the rest of that ETH has now been transferred onto Base. Now, to actually change my wallet over to the Base network, which is the next most important step, I'm going to go ahead and follow this guide here that's on docs.base.org, and you'll see here using Base. So using this guide for your respective wallet, you'll be able to understand how to go ahead and add the Base network to your wallet, which is important because what we have to do next here is we actually have to switch over to the Base network. That way we can see our ETH, which you now see some has been transferred over here. I did have a little bit of ETH before, but now my ETH is now actually on Base, and now I'm able to use it and open my very first cube.